What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, we are going to be unboxing the Chora series, in particular the 816 from Focal. You guys know that we are now an authorized nationwide Focal American dealer, and we are just thrilled to offer this brand to you. I'm going to be unboxing these today, as well as making a whole series of other videos comparing these against some of the other models within their lineup. So make sure to subscribe down below. But today, we're going to open these bad boys up and check it out. Let's go! Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. I just want to bring to your attention that we are a nationwide authorized reseller, and that's direct with Focal, and we guarantee the lowest price on every product we sell with that free shipping. Now, the way that they kind of close these boxes up, they have these staples here. So I'm just going to go around and take these staples out nice and slow, rather than just cutting the box open and destroying it, because we'll be using these in our demos for a while. Want to keep the box. I also recommend that if you're going to be purchasing this, you keep the box, throw it up in the attic or something, because if you move and need to transport them, you really want the proper packing materials. These are the first model in their lineup. They're at a pretty reasonable price point. You're at $8.95 retail cost each on these guys. And then the next series up is the Aria, which we'll be unboxing those as well. So they're about double the cost, roughly. But these at $8.95 retail, pretty hard to beat. It's a very reasonable price point, and they got the aluminum magnesium inverted dome tweeters on these, and that slate fiber woofer technology. Okay, open this up. So I'm taking the stand out first, guys. This is what the speaker actually sits on. Bring you up closer. Focal. And if you look, it kind of has like a wedge design. That's to direct the audio up towards your target seating area. Before I pull the speaker out, I'm going to bring you guys up close so you can check it out, see how they pack it. Attention to detail. Definitely don't want these getting damaged in transit. So these actually came on a big pallet, which helps out a lot. That way they're not being thrown around on the UPS or FedEx trucks. Okie dokie. I'm gonna sit this up and slide it out. Looks like this is the front grille. All right, check it out. Those slate fiber cones are pretty sweet looking. The prior generation of the Chora series, they used polyglass woofers, which is what they use in their 100 series architectural line right now. Woo! Yeah, buddy. This is looking nice. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and put the feet on right now. I was looking around trying to find the screws to screw it in, and it looks like they include it in the box with the grill. This is the grill, made in France. Again, guys, this speaker manufacturer they are known for manufacturing all of their drivers in-house with their trickle-down technology, which basically means all of their super high-end products like the Utopia line and whatnot, as they produce new models, whether it's pro audio or car audio, headphones, whatever, they're putting all of that technology that they hand build into every line, which is why they have such a low fail rate, because they actually have a human test each one before they go out. So I'm gonna go ahead and now get these screws put onto the top of this. Okay, so I was just reading through the manual. That way I can make sure that I'm not leaving out any information for you guys. You can see that they do show you exactly how to install the bottom plate. See how it's kind of angled up? Well, the reason they do that is to, like I mentioned earlier, get the listening position optimized, really. And then down here, they have different options for wood or tile, which is what I'm gonna be using, and then carpet spikes. Obviously, guys, like the space that I'm setting these up in right now is not ideal at all for audio. And I got these acoustic deals going right here and here to go behind the speakers. They're like a diffuser and an absorber at the same time. You can like pivot them. So whenever I go to start doing the demos, I'll set that up. But in an ideal situation, you would want carpet in this space. You can see they show for the Chora bookshelves as well. And then your little cover. They show that you can use any type of speaker wire that you'd like, whether it's banana plugs or spades or just bare wire. I'm gonna be using banana plugs, which if you guys need wire for the speakers, we do offer Claris as well as tributary cabling, and those are right here. Really high quality, good stuff. You really want to maximize the potential of your system. So I'll talk about that a little bit more later. Right here, they show how you want to toe them in, and this is just to, again, directionally point the audio right towards your ear. High frequency audio travels line of sight, so you don't want to do something stupid like this, where, you know, it's just firing towards the wall. And then you can see they do recommend leaving just a tad bit of space. If you do, yeah, they put a double check. It basically, dependent on how close to the wall you have it, it's going to affect the amount of bass output, which is pretty typical. But what's really cool with these is they do have the front port on it versus a rear port. So you can put this a lot closer to the wall than some of the other manufacturers that we offer. So it keeps the space looking clean. Some of the speakers that we offer, I mean, you got to have the speaker out in the middle of the room, ideally, for best performance. That's not the case with these. Well, that's about it in the manual. Not a whole lot more, just other languages. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these bad boys on. And I'm gonna just put them all in, and then I'll show you guys when I'm done. It's kind of boring, but you get the idea. These screws right there go in here, and then the little rubber pieces, and then the little rubber pieces go right here. I'll show you when I get them all on. All right, we got all our little bumpers on here for the wood floor, and then tighten down our 4 screws. Now, we're gonna go ahead and flip this bad boy over and check it out. Check it out. Absolutely beautiful. And there is a protective film over the front here. This is the back of the unit. Really high quality binding posts here. Like I said, I'll just be popping these little plastic things out and putting my banana pins in. Good looking speaker, without a doubt. Remove the plastic film. All right, I'm gonna spin this guy around and open up the shades. That way you guys can get more light and a better view. I mean, this thing is just gorgeous. Okay guys, on to the fun part. Let's pull the front plastic off so we can really see the quality of the finish. Whew. Look at that. Yeah, so we got dual 6.5, we got a mid-range and a bass driver here, and then your aluminum magnesium inverted dome tweeter. Again, that is Focal's thing, is that inverted dome tweeter. It's really the high-end stuff, which we'll be getting into later. I actually have a pair sitting downstairs. The Sopra series has the beryllium inverted dome tweeter on it, but these magnesium aluminum inverted dome tweeters sound really good as well. I've already demoed a few. All right guys, let me give you an up close shot here. Everything about the speaker just screams quality. Focal, baby. We are your nationwide Focal dealer, guys. Give us a ring, show your support. We really appreciate the opportunity to earn your business. So it's got the polished look on the front and then matte finish on the sides. Let's go ahead and pop the grill on. Okay, so this is the grill, guys, and it looks like it has little magnets in here. I'm assuming it just sticks. Very nice. I actually like it without the grill on there, but the grill looks good. If you don't have kids though, I'd probably just rock it like that. It's a sexy looking speaker. Now, these slate fiber cones right here, guys, they use their sandwich cone technology, and the carbon fiber makes it very rigid as well as lighter and more responsive. They have better dampening than that older series, the polyglass. So you're really getting a good value out of these. Like I said, you're at $895 retail. Really hard to beat, and it looks beautiful. What else do we have about this guy? Frequency response range is going to be 50 to 28,000 hertz, plus or minus 3 dB. And then this is an 8 ohm impedance speaker with a sensitivity of 89.5, and we would recommend that you run a 40 to 200 watt amp to power this up. These do come with a full 5-year manufacturer warranty, which you will get when you purchase from Dreamedia as a authorized reseller. We pride ourselves on the full factory backing from the manufacturer. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop out the other speaker and set them up so you guys can see the visual appearance of 2 of these speakers set up side by side. And then again, subscribe to the channel, guys, because we're gonna be running system demos as well as in-home system setups. So like, we like to go into clients' homes and showcase the work as well as their setups to give other people inspiration. So if you're on the internet trying to figure out the million options that you have, what's best for your situation, our channel will bring you a lot of inspiration. So subscribe down below, guys. All right, guys, I just got the other Chora speaker unboxed and set up where I'm going to be demoing them. And I'm just going to take you up close and show you the quality of build on these speakers. I mean, they are looking sexy. And again, these speakers are only $895 $95 each retail cost. All right, guys, check it out. Looking good, looking good. Woo, baby. Yeah. So what I plan on doing for you guys, if you aren't already subscribed to the channel, you got to subscribe, because I'm going to be setting up the other series like the Aria next, right next to them, and then shooting them out. See if we can really hear a difference for double the price, triple the price, and so on. If you guys need cables, I got Claris. I'm going to be making some videos on these as well, but it's the top of the line speaker wire manufacturer out there, and you can see just from this little quick shot, these things are quality. Looking good. Again, can't wait to do these demos. I'm going to be using a Rotel amp to power them up. But that about concludes my unboxing video of the Chora 816. It's the exact model right here, guys. In black. Made in France. Hand-built speakers, guys. So there's one thing that I didn't discuss so far in this unboxing, quick review, and that's the finishes. It looks like they also have a light wood and dark wood finish, as well as the gloss black, which is what I decided to go with. All of the Focal speakers that I ordered, I just did gloss black, but they have some really cool finishes that can blend in with the design of your home. So if you're working with a designer, you need that wife approval, we got some really nice looking speakers to complement the space. And again, what I really like about these guys is the fact that they can be put very close to the wall and still perform well. All right, well, I think that is a wrap on my unboxing video of the Chora Series 816 from Focal. You guys know I am super excited to be offering this line to you guys, and we're gonna be making a series of videos all highlighting this particular hand-built, made in France speaker. If you guys like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. If you don't know what you need, give us a ring. We guarantee the lowest price with nationwide free shipping, and we offer a free design service. So my audio video consultants can definitely get you something that fits your exact needs and budget. Really appreciate y'all's support. Till next time, this is Zach of Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.